What's going on, guys? This is Easy Breezy and we're back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, SoGoodHair, for sending me this loose curly lace front wig, and it's actually a lot darker than the lace front wigs that I normally see. It's almost jet black and I really like that. And we have a brand new model to the channel today. Y'all welcome Dakota and follow her on Instagram right now. So when you texted me yesterday about having to go to the vet, I thought about how many dogs you told me that you had. I was like, do she pay for all those shots or do she do them shots herself?
Oh no, I do the shots myself.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, but I had a puppy go home yesterday, so his poop was like a little runny. So he wasn't sick or nothing, but I'm just like a freak. You know, people spend a lot of money, so I'm like making sure their dogs go home looking good.
Oh, so you breed?
Yeah, I breed them and train them. Yeah, so my dogs, I have 10 of my own dogs, and then I breed puppies. So I did it with my pit bull, and I sold all her puppies for $900. And so,
The pit bull puppies. Okay.
And most of the time,
Was it a blue nose or something?
she didn't even have papers or nothing. It was just because I trained him. And I didn't even know that I could train him that good. I just
The puppies?
did it. Yeah,
How'd you do
I'll show
that?
you a video. I started off
Like potty train?
potty trained, sit, stay down, eat. I did all of it. And I didn't even know I could do that. It was just, they were all in my house and they weren't gonna just be tearing up shit, pooping everywhere. So I just did it. And when I posted this little video, it was like, it went kind of a little viral.
No. No.
You wait.
Sir. Wait. Wait. No. Wait. No. Eat.
adding a little decoration, a little sparkle to my hairstyles now. And I now have rhinestones available on GalaxyGirlHair.com. We have silver, pink, and rose gold. You guys are gonna love them, and I'm gonna use the silver ones today. Alright you guys, so we are finished with this look, and as you can see, it's really cute, this wet and wavy look with the little sparkle in the front. Once again, thank you so much SoGoodHair for sponsoring this video with this loose wave wig. If you guys are interested in purchasing, I have all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later!